When traveling to Thailand, there are some items that you need to bring along. So we want to suggest you 6 items for your day trip in Thailand. As we all know, Thailand's weather is super hot and the sun gets shinier each year. Even though we have 3 seasons, which are hot, hotter, and hottest. So Thai people usually have their survival kits when they are traveling on a day trip. So we want to suggest you that because we know that you're gonna love it like we do. The first thing is the foldable bag. So right now we're super concerning about the environment, so we're trying to reduce the plastic bag. If you walk in the convenience stores or 7-Eleven, they're probably not gonna give you the plastic bag. The foldable bag is really cheap and really light. It's also big as well, so get one and bring this along when you're on a shopping spree in Thailand. The second item is hand fan. Whether it's an electric one or a regular hand fan, this is completely up to you because we admitted that you have to bring this on a super hot day when you visit the local areas or the crowded areas. The third item is the cooling wipes. This is the upper level of the hand fan. So if you are a sweaty person or you find the deodorant too sticky, we recommend you to buy this cooling wipes because it helps you reduce the heat and the rash. But don't use it on your face because your face is too sensitive for that. The fourth item is mosquito repellent. I suggest you to buy this because I'm one of those people who always get bitten by mosquitoes all the time. And yes, it's super itchy and it always left me with dark spots. So find one with a liquid spray. It's super convenient, especially if you're from cold country, you'll find them really annoying. The fifth item is sunblock. The sun shining to Thailand, it's getting hotter and shinier each year, so you will definitely need a sunblock lotion when you visit Thailand. We suggest that any types or any brand of preference is completely fine. But make sure that you find the formulas that is not too oily because then it's gonna get runny when you visit the hot Thailand. The last one is nozzle inhaler. Well, this is not a must-have item, but we're completely sure that you will love this. Believe it or not, when I visit my foreign friends, I always bring a dozen of it and come back with only one. This menthol inhaler is really useful when you feel dizzy or you just need something to freshen up on the hot area. So I suggest this to buy one for yourself and buy a dozen as a souvenirs back home. So now that you know what you should bring when you're traveling in Thailand, you should be able to enjoy your day trips without any worries or irritation. If you want to know more about Thailand's interesting facts or travel tips, don't forget to subscribe our channel and see you again soon.